The Bissell PowerFresh 1544A Steam Mop is a versatile cleaning solution for pet owners, offering a chemical-free way to tackle messes on floors and beyond. Featuring a two-in-one design, this steam mop includes a detachable pod that allows for convenient above-floor cleaning, making it ideal for various surfaces. Equipped with 13 versatile accessories, the steam mop provides flexibility for everyday cleaning tasks and effectively manages pet-related messes. With a heater warm-up time of only 30 seconds, the steam mop is quick to start, ensuring efficient cleaning without unnecessary delays. This steam mop eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria using the natural power of steam, ensuring a hygienic environment for families and pets. Purchasing the Bissell PowerFresh 1544A not only enhances your cleaning routine, but also supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, contributing to the welfare of homeless pets.